What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. This is Day One Adventures. In today's adventure, I'm going to share a little app that I just used, and it helps out a lot of different people, and you get some good food. And the name of the app is called Too Good To Go. And this is a very interesting concept. So there's a lot of food waste that happens. So the waste food doesn't benefit them or the businesses that have to throw out the food. So what this company does for restaurants and grocery stores, they had this food at the end of the day that they need to sell or throw out. So what they do is, through Too Good To Go, they have like these mystery boxes or packages that you can buy from them at a really discounted price. And I've heard about this for about 2 years now, and I always thought it was interesting, so I decided to actually give it a try. And what's really nice about this is the app will show you in your area what restaurants or places are doing it. So now I'm looking at the app, and when you pull up the app, you sign up, set up an account and everything. The first thing you can do is set up your area. So how far do I want to travel? So if I want to say, I'm just going to look within 3 miles, and I can use my current location, and then I can see the little green dots are showing you different restaurants, so I can widen that up. All right, so let's say I want to, it's kind of my area right there. That's what I'm willing to travel. So then I hit show results, and it will pull up the different places. So this first one, Whole Foods over in Glen Mills, it's about 9.1 miles away from me. And between 8 and 9, I can pick up this package. And at the bottom, it says 30 with a line through it. And then it says $9.99. So it's a package that will be the value of $30, and you get it for $10. And I will pick it up between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Save a surprise filled bag variety of ready-to-eat items such as soup, ready meals, protein salads. This bag may contain items at or past their expiration date. So you may be right at the date or past it a little bit. And then you can get directions right in the app, and it will tell you what the packing is, so they can provide a container and a carrier bag. One of the things you want to be aware of is any allergies you might have, nut allergies, because they can't specialize it. It's a grab bag. You get what's in the bag, and that's pretty much it. And a lot of them will tell you how many of the packages they have left. And you also have your ratings, your pickup, the quality, the variety, and you can mark your favorites for different things that you find that you might want to go back to. So here's one I did, Tony's Bistro. I did that last night. So let's see what we got in the box. All right. So we got, this looks like tomato pie maybe? Yeah, that's tomato pie, right? So we got a tomato pie. We got a white pie there. What's that look like? Some kind of chicken bacon ranch. We got another slice here. That's a cheese slice right there. And we got chicken Caesar and a buffalo. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices of pizza. And it was like $5.99. So that's pretty good. Nice little variety. It was nice and easy to pick up. So there we go. Too good to go. Good way to save money and, help out some restaurants. But basically, it was about 5 slices of pizza. Good, nice deal. The pizza was delicious. You also get a chance to try out different places. What you want to do is get there, look it up early in the day. It's first come, first serve. You buy it, and then you go and pick it up at the designated time. And one of the really cool things about it is when you buy in your profile, it will give you an alert when your time is to pick it up, and you can also rate it. So there's a little countdown timer for me for when I went to go pick up my food. Nice variety, and you get the option to try out different food places. So there's a lot of different options. So there's a lot of places worldwide that are participating in this. And it's also really good if you're traveling. You pull this up and you say, oh, here's a place, and you could, check it out. So that is Too Good To Go. Is this something you might try? Let me know. Have you tried something like this? Because I think there's another company that does it, but I had a very enjoyable experience with it. It was really good. Saved a lot of money and got to try some different food. Thanks for watching this video. Do me a favor, hit that like button, and until next adventure, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I will see you all soon.